In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize your own laser cut box using MakerCase and Adobe Illustrator. Here, I've prepared my laser cut box using plywood, and I've got text on one side, an image, and a slot at the top so I can drop in some coins. Your first step is to open your browser, go to en.makercase.com, select Basic Box. Use millimeters for your units, type in 100, and this will be the maximum size of your box. These are your outside dimensions, and you can choose if it's an open box with no lid or a box with a lid. I'm going to choose a box with a lid. Go to Edge Joints, Finger, and with the sliding tool, adjust how much you want. You can click and drag the box to have a look. When you're happy with that, click Download Box Plans. Okay, go to Line Formatting and type in 0.0.01. Labels and spacing. We're going to keep the label panels so we know which side is which. We can always delete these later in Adobe Illustrator. We're going to download SVG and save. Okay, we can open it up in our Downloads folder, right-click and open with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, to center this on my keyboard, I'm going to type Control-0 and then Control- to zoom out. I'm going to check that the units are millimeters. Looks good. And I'm going to ungroup this. So if I click on a shape right now, everything gets selected, which is not good. So while everything is selected, I'm going to go down to Quick Actions on the right side and ungroup. Now if I click one thing, it only selects that part. I'm going to start with the top of the box and I'm going to make that slot so I don't need this label here anymore. Click and delete. I'm going to my rectangle tool on the left sidebar and click, type in my dimensions, and there's my rectangle. To make this cut on the laser cutter, I need to change the fill and the stroke. So we need to change that to none. For the stroke color, I need to make sure it's red. So 255, 0, 0. And then change the stroke to 0.01. And I need to go to the selection tool on the top left so I can move my rectangle around. If I want it exactly in the center of this piece, I need to click, hold down Shift on my keyboard, select the second object. Now I've got both objects selected. Go to Align on the right side, Align to Key Object, click on the larger shape. So it's got that really thick outline, and then horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now it's exactly in the center. Next, I'm going to add some text to the front of my box, so I can click, delete, and go to the type tool. So it looks like a capital T, and click inside the space, type in what you want, go to the selection tool, and I'm going to look on the right side under character. I can change my font and the size. Okay, that looks good. And again, I can move this around or use Align like we did before. Okay, so that's our text done. On the left side of the box, I want to add an image. So I'm going to click and delete that label. Go back to our browser and open freesvg.org. I'm going to type in what I'm looking for. Protect Earth. Okay. For your laser cut box, please choose black and white images only so that it can engrave on the box. I'm going to select this image, download SVG, and save. All right, let's go back to Illustrator. File, place, and choose our image. Click, and then I can resize it using the corner squares. And let's move it a little bit first. One of the corner squares, hold down Shift, and I can resize it while the proportions are locked. Okay, so I think that's good. And I can move it into the center, or I can align it by using Align to Key object. Okay, so that's it. Just make sure that you save your work at the end and that it's saved as an SVG. Good luck!